Well, I think I'm going to entitle this one The Perils of Beekeeping in Southeast, Mid-South. I'd say the Mid-South, because one day you're going to be highs in the 30s, lows in the 20s and teens. The next day you're going to be highs in the 50s, lows in the 40s, 2 or 3 days, and then back down into the teens and 20s and 30s. 60, it's supposed to be 64, 65 today. We're February the 10th, I think it is, 9th or 10th. Just out here checking sugar shims, and a colony that was quite strong for this time of year, but they get what I call stupid, and I'll show you what I mean. We put the hive together back together before I thought about doing the video. Okay, you've got a small patch of brood here, and all the way out through this area, not that far, right along in here, about an inch or so outside the brood area, is nothing but eggs. Let's see, well, throw the frame on the ground, see what we got on the other side. Nothing. Which is fine. That's a perfectly good sized brood cluster for building up. But here's the other problem. You've got brood like this. There's eggs all the way out into here. So they could not cover it. Instead of covering just this frame with the softball size, or just this frame, no, they have to lay it in multiple areas so they cannot cover it all. And I wished I'd thought, but up there's the bottom board, which is rotting out, needs to be replaced, so it's thrown out. All the dead bees on the bottom, and they were not just under one frame, they were under 2 frames. That one's got a nice selection of pollen for next year. As you notice, there's no honey in the hive, basically. There's a little bit on this outside frame. Of course, they've been dead a couple of days, so they probably, what was in there has been robbed. But that's just perils of beekeeping in the I'm going to call it Mid-South, because I'm in Southeast Tennessee. I see it every year, not only at my yard for a couple, but I'll see people posting on Facebook, my bees died, and there's a big frame, 2 frames of brood and dead bees on the bottom. And I'm like, what was your temperatures? Oh, well, they were 60s a couple of days ago, and then it dropped into the 30s for highs and lows. I'm like, yeah, they got stuck on it, and they tried to cover all that brood, and they all died. But you know what? In my operation, I don't want those genetics anyway. Sayonara, good riddance. Sayonara, good riddance. I'm done. Anyway, just a quick video. Thanks for watching. You know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe button. Have a great day.